Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to share posts on LinkedIn. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to the LinkedIn app and after that look to the post that you want to share, and as you can see next to your picture below every post there is like icon, comment icon, and after that share icon. You have just to click on it and you have here two options: to repost with your thoughts, that means you can share that article or picture or video or whatever thing and type text with it, or you can simply repost the post like this by clicking on repost. And as you can see, repost successful, and like that I shared this posts from LinkedIn. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and